Hey friends, and welcome to summer 2022, my first clean and decorate with me of the season. I'm so excited to get into this video. If you are new here, my name is Ashley J. Aaron. I love all things homemaking, decorating, cooking, and cleaning, and would love it if you pause this video right now and subscribe. If you've been with me for a while, check and make sure you're subscribed down below. We have so much coming up for the rest of the year. You guys know I'm obsessed with all fall, Halloween, Christmas decorating, but before we do that, we have Christmas in July on my channel. I love continuing these fun traditions and sharing them with all of you. So definitely stick around because we have so many fun things coming up. Okay, let's get today's video started. We laid some of the new pieces out just so I remember that not only do I have Americana decor, but I also have these new pieces like the tray, the dough bowl, candle, etc. It was all in my last video. I got some new pillows back here, and then we just have like a blanket and towel. That stuff is from Christmas. That's why I love to buy red things that can go from Christmas to Valentine's Day to summer. But I just laid everything out. I also picked up like some new ribbon from Dollar Tree, just so I make sure like I don't forget anything. And then I'm also going to show you the Americana decor. Here is all of the Americana and just summery sunshine and lemon type stuff. A lot of this stuff I did use last year. Some of it I didn't get a chance to use last year, so I held on to that. But like the gnomes I think I use, and then I bought new flags because I cannot figure out where I put my flags from last year, and I just tea stained those. And we have some more pillowcases. I don't know if I'm going to go with like the neutral or if I want to go like all out with the Americana ones, because it does really match the decor so well. Maybe I'll do like a mixture of both, but I just basically wanted to show you guys everything that we're working with. I'm probably gonna have to leave it out on the two tables, so I'll just be pulling from each section as I need it, but I'm so excited, so let's get started. Okay, so before we can do any decorating, we have some cleaning up to do here in the kitchen. My oldest daughter, she already stacked the dishwasher, but I need to go ahead and clean out the sink. The stove is pretty nasty. I gotta clean all of that. And then I actually have a friend who sent me her products from her company called Oils and Herbs. She sent me her multi-purpose and her disinfectant solution. These bottles come empty. I'm sorry, the puppies are playing and they're just like crazy right now. But the bottles come empty, and then you put the solution in and finish filling with water. I'm super excited to try these out. I actually saved them specifically for today's video, but I think they're going to be amazing. So I will link this down below in my description box in case you want to check out for yourself. But we are just going to go through and get everything tidied up. Like I said, the sink is pretty gross, and then once everything is clean, then we are going to start decorating. I love Memorial Day weekend. It's the start of summer. It's also usually beautiful weather here in Michigan. It's been in the 80s and 90s, so we are trying to enjoy as much as possible. What is the weather like where you guys are? Is it still warm? Are you guys having, some hot days, some cold days? We definitely have some days where it gets a little bit cooler, but we are definitely seeing more summer, and that's super exciting. I love decorating and just getting the house ready for just a more simpler time in the year, no school, and just kind of relaxing, getting outdoors more. I'm really excited. So let us know also down below, what are your plans for Memorial Day if you're in the US? Do you barbecue? Do you go to the pool? Do you go to the lake? Here in Michigan, it is really big to go out on the lake, go out on the boat, so that's super fun, and it's beautiful weather for that. But let us all know, what are you doing for Memorial Day? I love this combination of the Dawn Power Wash and baking soda. It really gets everything just fresh and clean in the sink, and it just really makes it sparkle. I was thinking, when we had COVID, and even now with the little ones having it, we just had so many dishes, and we were using the sanitize cycle, and it just was taking so long, and dishes just felt like they were really getting piled up. And it made me realize, like, out of all my chores, I mean, besides maybe toilets, of course, but Out of all my chores, I just really don't enjoy doing dishes, and I think it's because no matter how much you do them, there's always more. But let us know in the comments down below which chore is not your favorite. We are going to wipe down this countertop, and then I'm going to start decorating this area. First, we are going to use this tray from HomeGoods. If you haven't seen this video yet, I will link it down below. We picked up some beautiful pieces. You'll also see later in the video, I decided to switch this up a little bit. I love these olive branches and everything was beautiful, don't get me wrong, but I feel like it makes more sense later, so you'll see those changes in just a little bit. I really love this vintage basket that I got from my mom. I think it's just the perfect finishing touch. We're going to add in some red apples just so we have a little hint of red in this area. I really wanted to include some American flags, but unfortunately it just didn't look right there. But like I said, we are going to build upon all of this decor all summer long, so I'm sure I'll have plenty of opportunities to add more American flags in, especially right before 4th of July. Now onto this vase. The idea and thought I was going for was, you know, in the summer when your children or grandchildren bring you wildflowers from outside that they pick themselves, and you grab a mason jar from the cabinet, you fill it full of water, and you place it on your windowsill with their wildflowers. That was the look I was going for, and I'm really happy with the way that it turned out, and it just makes me think of how much fun and all the memories we're going to make this summer. I completely forgot to get summer or red, white, and blue dish towels, so when it was time to film this video, instead of just running to the store, I just used what I had. That towel, like I said earlier, is from Christmas and it works, but I like to have a lot of towels. I like to place some like in my mixer and just have a lot to choose from. So I would like to go to HomeGoods and just grab some dish towels. Let's see if I can go in the store and stick to just the one item, or if I'll actually be lured into purchasing something else. My friend Dee does this on her channel, where she will see if she can go into Costco and just get one item. I think she actually does it on her Instagram. So I might share it on my Instagram or my TikTok. So if you don't follow me, it's Ashley J. Aaron. Follow me over there. I definitely post daily. You can keep up with me. I like to chat to all of you guys over there. But yeah, I feel like it's so hard, right, to walk into HomeGoods and pick just one thing, but I think I can do it, and I think I might start with dish towels. So if you guys are interested in seeing that and seeing if I'm actually able to accomplish that, let me know in the comments down below.
All those little moments, the bus you didn't catch me looking over my shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments, all that you only God knew about. All those little moments.
Bianca had to run outside and grab some of her toys that were blowing away. I wanted to show you guys the sky and just how bad the wind was getting. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen, like, I think it was like a month ago, our trampoline became very damaged in a windstorm, and I just wanted you to see because the lighting is going to be really dark for a moment, but then we take a break, eat dinner, and come back and the sun's back out. So I just wanted to show that to you guys. But here I am gathering all of the pictures because it has been 2 years. I am the worst, and I have not printed any pictures. So I went to my local Walgreens. I did my 1-hour photo. They were fantastic. I printed out all new spring and summer photos, some of our favorite trips and moments together as a family, and Disney, just that reminder that we definitely need to book a Disney trip. But all of our little beach road trips and vacations that we take this time of the year. Living in Michigan, there's just so much beauty all around, and I needed to refill all of these picture frames. So I was very happy with the way that they turned out. So if you are thinking about printing them out at Walgreens, definitely do so. Next, I'm putting a little carpet deodorizer on the carpet. We're going to let that sit for a while as we put all of our new pillows on the couch. I let that sit for about 10-15 minutes, and then I'm going to go through and vacuum really well. My puppies are in the way. If you're new here, we have 5-month-old Pomskis, and they are literally big babies. Even though they look so big, they're babies, and they just want to be everywhere I am or the kids, and I could not get them to move. But here we took a break and had dinner and then came back, and now you can see it's not as dark. The storm passed, it rained, all that good stuff. So we're just wiping down the mantle, getting it fresh and clean, and then I'm going to start decorating it. I love these gnomes on the mantle. It's such a small touch, but definitely like a big impact. So cute. And then the USA sign on the bookshelf. And then I'm just going to use my red and white blanket from Christmas, swap that out just to make it look a little bit more festive. And then I'm going to take these little ribbons from Dollar Tree. They come in a 2-pack, and I just use the same wire that they use to attach it to the package to stick it right into my lanterns. So cute and really, really simple. Like I said, I'm going to build on all of my decor as we go on, as summer goes on. But just adding these little touches, I feel like is exactly what I needed to bring summer and to welcome summer. So I'm also going to take this wreath that I used to have in my kitchen with some brand new American ribbon, and I'm going to just tie it and have it hang right here beautifully. I just felt like this area needed some more greenery. There was just so much with the red, white, and blue. It just needed some more greenery. So I thought this would be a nice touch, and then I'm just going to cut the excess string at the bottom into kind of like a V shape. I forget what that's called. And that is it. Really simple and easy. And I actually think I want to redo this ladder, but for now I like it looking kind of distressed. Okay, remember how I said earlier that I was going to switch out the kitchen piece? So I replaced the black vase with my vintage pitcher. I thought that was so cute since it's the kitchen. It's fitting. Brought the black vase over onto the white dresser. I love the contrast between the two. This is another area where I wanted to put some small American flags, kind of like how I did last year. I'll link that video down below. But it just didn't look right with these neutral pieces. So I'm definitely going to have to take some more time and figure it out. But for now, it's beautiful. Then I'm finishing with my sea salt neroli room spray, and here is the final reveal. That is it. I hope you guys loved this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I hope that I will see you back here in just a couple days in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.